Hello and welcome to today's OutPower newscast. On today's news, we're going to talk about low-code schools, the importance of learning JavaScript and how it behaves on the platform. We will give a look on how to set the logging level of a consume or exposed REST API, and lastly, we'll give a quick peek on what the community has been up to. The first edition of the low-code school in Lisbon has just finished. This first edition could count with 20 participants full of energy and motivation to learn OutSystems. The low-code school consists in a 2-week OutSystems training with access to a certification exam at the end. This is the perfect way to dip into the OutSystems ecosystem. For more information on this subject, please follow the link down below. Next, we'll talk about the blog post by the community member William Antunes. In his blog post, he talks on how it is important to learn other web development technologies, such as JavaScript, Angular, or jQuery for instance. He also goes over in detail on how to use JavaScript with OutSystems and how the platform behaves when using this technology. To reach his blog post, please use the following link. And now going over to our Hints and How-Tos segment. This week on Hints and How-Tos, we go over a guide from an OutSystems MVP community member. On this guide, we'll learn how to set the level of logging for consumed and exposed REST APIs to aid us in debugging. If this sparks your interest, you can find a full guide at the link available below. Following Hints and How-Tos, let's check what has been happening lately on the Forge. After looking at the community activity on the Forge for this week, the following is our selection for this week's top picks. And last but not least, our community idea of the week. This week's idea that has captured the interest of the community is by Rui Felix. What he proposes for OutSystems to have a quick reference documentation page for the OutSystems naming conventions. The reason for this idea is that, although this information is available to us, it is in video format, which could become a bit bothersome when we just want a quick refresher. If you wish to support this idea, you can do it as usual by going to the link that is shown below, or if you prefer, by navigating to the page by clicking the link that is available in our video description. That is all for this week's newscast. Thank you very much for watching, and please be sure to join us on our next episode for more OutSystems news about OutPower. Have a great day.